Welcome to everybody. Today I'm going to explain how to use a web sensor from a mobile phone in order to detect if the holder of the phone is working or not. For this project we are gonna build two main parts. One is an AWS IoT backend that I already discussed in the previous part. Basically, it will accept MQTT messages containing measurements and will display them on a web server written in Flask. So actually we need to add two things. Writing some JavaScript code that will read the values of the accelerometer from the phone, and then some sort of way to send them with MQTT. Because actually MQTT may be used over WebSockets, but it's a still basic technology, not so developed. For this reason, I've chosen to build my own gateway to translate messages from HTTPS to MQTT. For this reason, you can see my backend is composed of two main parts. First, we have MQTT broker that just is required in order to handle the certificates because AWS doesn't allow unsecure connections. Then here on port 443 on HTTPS, we have our sensor JavaScript code that will be loaded from the phone, and here we have our dashboard with basic HTTP that we can see from our browser. So here you can see on the left the recording of my phone. I can enable the sensor, and you can see on the top screen we have the value of the accelerometer on the x-axis with different colors. If I tilt it in different directions, it will change. And below, on the other box, you can find the magnitude of different frequencies. In this case, I'm moving it like I was walking around a frequency of 1.8 Hertz. And you can see that we have a spike in that point. So if actually I'm not sending data right now, if I click on send processed data, you can see that the dashboard on the right will update, and depending if I'm the frequency around 1.8 Hertz, it's above or below a certain threshold, it will display that if it's working or not.